for Giraffe. Now that's great!
Cartoons.
Hello everyone, it's me, Gunt, and we're heading off for the Toono this weekend, the amazing Alphabeasts. But today is the letter G, like in giraffe. But even though the giraffe is a wild animal, but living in the zoo in Africa, but let's see if you're gonna react to the Africa's Wild Wonders, the giraffe, from the Secrets of Nature. Hit it!
Animals eat food which gives them energy to live, but plants don't. Grabbing the sun's radiation along with water and air, they use the green chlorophyll inside their cells to create an incredible chemical reaction which produces glucose.
I have no idea what this, but
another handy product that plants just happen to make is oxygen. Probably the planet's most resourceful food collectors. And there are plenty of admirers around. Much admired themselves, giraffes consume copious amounts of this glucose-rich material.
Did I bother me
A
anyway?
black tongue protects against sunburn and is covered in papillae to protect against thorns from the acacia tree. It was originally thought that a giraffe's neck had evolved to be longer for food gathering, as there is heavy competition along the tree line just below their height.
Well,
but amazingly, it is now thought that their necks evolved to give males an advantage in combat.
And there's grass. Grass starts with G
Known
too.
as necking, this is used to establish dominance as well as access to breeding with females.
Hey, you're gonna need to hire
Most
down
fights
below,
don't lead to serious injury. Once the loser has submitted, both walk away peacefully.
You know what they decided what time?
The skin of a giraffe is mostly grey, and its thickness allows the elegant creatures to move through the thorny bushveld without their skin being punctured or ripped by the vicious thorns. Beautifully patterned, no two giraffes have the same coat, and male giraffes become darker as they age.
Looks a bit.
The light and shade
Looks a
patterns
bit
of the
larger.
savanna woodlands make it hard to see giraffes when they are standing still. This camouflage is vital for giraffe calves, who spend a large amount of their day hiding while their mother eats.
They're born
As
to be
beautiful as the patterned skin
wild.
is, it's clearly meant to be admired from a distance.
Watch where you're going, giraffe.
Giraffes
But you're gonna
have
be
pretty
careful
strong
what they
body
say.
odor, which researchers have
Making
found
decisions
deters
for me.
mosquitoes
But
and several
I told
types of
you.
skin fungus. Despite the odorous skin secretions, ticks still live on the animals, which in turn attracts tick birds called oxpeckers. These birds have feet perfectly adapted to grasping, which allows them to hitch a ride on their host while eating.
There are cute.
Oxpeckers are also found on other herbivores in the area. Buffaloes and rhinos carry the parasite-loving birds around the savanna grasslands. During the dry season, giraffes can still find enough food in the tree line. Plants don't need much to make food, just the elements around them. But growing leaves takes time, and a giraffe, with its desensitized French loaf-sized tongue, is able to strip a tree bare in minutes. So the plants have some clever defense mechanisms in store for the browsers. Thorns don't prevent loss of foliage, but they do restrict bite size and slow the rate of eating down.
That's a lot of healthy
And
giraffe.
a rather nasty trick up the plant's sleeve is the use of chemicals. While the giraffe eats, the tree gauges the amount eaten, and when it senses the amount is close to reaching its threshold limit, the tree goes into overdrive, producing extra tannins as well as toxins, which causes the giraffe to move elsewhere when the leaves suddenly become bitter.
Soon enough.
And unbelievably, the torn leaves also emit gases, which alert the other plants in the area that there's a hungry giraffe lurking. So they too start producing chemicals to thwart the attack. One of nature's curiosities, the giraffe has been marveled through the ages for its elegance and statuesque gait. Fascinating animals. Long may they walk Africa's lands.
Well, this is the time for a video. Well, anyways, goodbye.
Thanks for watching.